Hello friends, have you ever had this problem where your tables in Excel become so big they become impossible to use? Stay tuned and watch to the end of this video and I'll show you a very simple solution to this problem. Okay, so let's solve this very easy problem. First, what you need to do is to select this top left portion of your data. Once you've done that, I need you to go to the View menu and then you're going to press the button Freeze Panes. Once you've done that, your problem is solved. So as you can see now, as I scroll down, the horizontals remain the same, but the names will scroll. That's what you need. If I go across to find the specific date for the name, you're going to realize that the names remain frozen. So I can see that this number 42, this cell here corresponds to Alana Ferreira and it's on October 23. That's it. If you found this tutorial fantastic, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye till then and take care.